How to use 11 Labs voice cloning. First of all, click Voice Lab. Click Add Cloned Voice. And to use instant voice cloning, we need to buy subscription. To buy it, simply just click Subscribe, and you will be translated to the buying subscription page. To use voice cloning feature, we have to buy a subscription only for $1, but it's also worth to mention that the next month it'll be $5. To buy, just click Subscribe button and enter your payment wallet. When you have been successfully subscribed, click Cloned Voice again and then Instant Voice Cloning. Here we need to upload the voice you want to clone. I always use 30 seconds voice sample, and it's enough to create high-quality voiceover. Here, just select the checkbox and click Add. Now on Voice Lab page, we have our created cloned voiceover. To use our cloned voice, click Use. And here we have our setting page. Click Voice Settings. And to get the best cloned voice, just choose the settings like here. And here just type the text you want to voice over. Now simply just click Generate button. And here we have Out VoiceOver. To download it, just click Download button right here. Now you know how to create voice cloning in 11 Labs. If you have some questions, just ask them in comments.